Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase your behavior score in Dota 2 on your PC. Let's get started. Behavior score is a number that represents how positive or negative your conduct is in games. High score means teammates are happier to play with you. Low score means you may face low priority, matchmaking or penalties. It's affected by chat reports and negative actions. Here is what works best. Avoid negative actions. Don't spam chat or use negative language. Play with a positive attitude. Report negative players responsibly. Positive behavior casually increase your score. Use pings and the chat wheel to help teammates instead of blaming them. Share resources like courier and bots fairly. Support carriers and follow team strategies. Avoid feeding intensely or trolling. Every positive action adds to your behavior score over time. Stay calm even when losing. Play more games without reports to gradually recover score. Remember, it's a long-term process. Small, consistent improvements matter. And that's it. By staying positive, finishing games, and supporting your teammate, you can increase your behavior score in Dota 2 on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.